Anything that you do not like in your life, you will find it hard. Anything that you like, it will become fun for you even if it is hardest. I've seen so many people ask this question, that whether we should do hard work or we should do smart work. Actually, in my personal opinion, there is nothing as such which is hard work or smart work. There is only work. Why am I saying this? Because what most of the people have thought in their mind, that hard work means something which is taking so much of effort is hard work. Something which is happening easily is smart work. This is the idea of people, that this is hard work, this is smart work. But here is a catch. If I tell you that if there is any work that in which you do not have interest, even if it is easy, will become hard for you. At the same time, if there is any work which is very hard, which takes so much of effort, but your interest is there in that work. When I say in the work, means your interest is in action, not in the thing that you will get in the return of that work. So if you have interest in the action of doing that work, and no matter how hard it is, even the hardest work will become easy for you. So as such, there is nothing called hard work and smart work. There is only work that you like, and there is a work that you don't like. If you do the work that you like, even the hardest work will become easy. If you do the work that you don't like, even the easiest work will become hard. I'll just give you a very practical example of my life. Because I am basically from a village, but I work in a city in an office. So sometimes when I go to my village and I tell somebody who has been working in the farm, a farmer, if I go to him and tell him that I go to the office every day from 9 to 5, I sit in an air conditioner cabin wearing the nice clothes, sitting on the laptop and doing some things like this. I do really work hard. And that's what is the idea of most of the people. People who are having actually no physical activity in their life, they think that they are really working hard. But if you go and tell a farmer the same story, he'll bloody laugh on you. He'll say, come to the farms and see what kind of hard work that we do. But here a lot of people will just give an excuse. Oh, he's doing the physical activity, he's doing the physical hard work, we are doing the psychological hard work. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about physical hard work or psychological hard work. Let's forget about the psychological hard work also. If I give you a job that you have to sit 8 hours in an air conditioned room, and you will get even tea, coffee and snacks, and you will have to do nothing. Nothing means literally nothing. You don't have to use your mind, you will not play your phone, you will not use any laptop. Just sit in a room for 8 hours comfortably in an air conditioning situation. You will bloody freak. And the reason is simply because your interest is not there in sitting. So forget about the psychological hard work. Anything that you do not like in your life, you will find it hard. Anything that you like, it will become fun for you even if it is hardest. So you must actually surrender this idea that there is something called hard work, there is something called smart work. There is only work. There is one kind of work in which you have interest. There is another kind of work in which you don't have interest. If you do the work in which you have interest, it will become easy even if it is hardest. If you do the work which is easy but there is no interest in it, it will become even the hardest work for you. So if somebody personally asks me that I should do whether hard work or smart work, I would say do the work that you have interest in. But then you will say, what is a smart work then? Smart work. See, there is nothing called smart work and hard work. There is only work. Whether you can do it smartly or you can do it stupidly, that is your choice. That is your intelligence. That is based upon how much intelligence you have in your brain. It is like this. If you have to go from point A to point B, which has a straight road, so there are two kinds of people. If I tell another kind of people, he will take point A and then he will go in circles and rounds and here and there, and then will reach the point B and he will say, oh, I did so much of hard work. That is the stupid work. That is not hard work. At the same time, there is a guy who knows direct road, straight road. He'll take that straight road from point A to point B, which will become easy and will take less efforts. This is not smart work. This is just using your intelligence. If you are intelligent, you will naturally find the smarter and efficient ways to do it. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.